Multi-Bank Approved Payables Financing is one of the three payables financing solutions offered by CRX Markets. It is based on the principle of approved payables financing, where a supplier can request for the early payment of their approved and validated invoices through the CRX Portal. The early financing of these invoices will be performed by relationship banks of the buyer, who is the owner of the approved payables. At the original invoice maturity, the buyer will now pay back the full nominal invoice amount to the banks. In order to benefit from the CRX solution, both the buyer and supplier must be onboarded and the approved invoice uploaded to the portal. The easiest way to upload an invoice is by using the proprietary CRX ERP add-on. Through a full integration into the buyer's ERP landscape, core processes such as the upload of invoice data and the reception of status updates can be fully automated. Through fast technical integration and full automatization, the buyer can reduce both manual work steps and the overall cost of ownership. The buyer can onboard selected banks to the CRX portal. Here, the banks will bid for the offered supplier invoices. Based on the pricing and the open credit line capabilities, the bank's bid will be accepted in an automated process. In this example, we will use the bank ABC as the purchasing bank. After winning the bid, the bank is required to pay the full nominal invoice amount minus an applicable discount to the supplier. A true sale is achieved once the bank has completed this full transfer. The respective invoice now belongs to the bank, shown here as ABC. Through the initial approval of the invoice, the buyer has agreed to pay the full nominal invoice amount at the contractually agreed maturity date to the new creditor, now represented by the bank. The CRX ERP add-on manages this change in creditor on the invoice level automatically, and for the buyer there is no effect on the standard P2P process whatsoever. Upon the final payment to the bank, the multi-bank approved payables financing process has reached its end. In summary, this solution fulfills the following goals. The bank can concentrate on their core business and expert knowledge while benefiting from a fully automated process and full integration provided by CRX. Banks can also strengthen existing buyer-bank relationships while attracting new clients through the expanding CRX network. The buyer can stabilize their supply chain by relying on trusted and credible banking relationships. And the buyer can also achieve a positive working capital effect by harmonizing their payment terms to market standards. The supplier strengthens their buyer relationship while accessing cheaper financing rates due to the buyer's credit enhancement. And by reducing the days sales outstanding to a couple of days, the supplier generates a positive working capital effect. To find out more information and get involved today, please visit crxmarkets.com and connect with us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube.